Welcome back. I got two that I'm actually very nervous about taking out because I just made them today and I used the curing machine and they're a little bendy, but I don't know. This might either be a really good or a bad idea, but we're gonna learn today. It feels gummy. Definitely giving gummy. Oh, it's loose. It's loose. But on the plus side, it's in the curing stage, I guess. Still, I only did it for an hour. The machine says 3 hours, but like the other one that I use, I only did it for. See, look at all them bubbles. You see all these bubbles? This is exactly why I don't be using that shit. Because look at this. Can you even see all the holes? Whatever. Anyways, that's exactly why I don't use that machine for like real stuff. But this is for a display because I sold all the flower coasters, flower shaped coasters that I made. And I have a class Saturday, so I want something to display. I think I might just leave it like this so it can continue curing. And then this one feels harder. This one feels harder. Same batch of resin, same amount of time, same curing thing, machine. Ooh, this one definitely feels harder. Still a bunch of holes, but whatever. I'm gonna stick them in here for the drive so that they don't get stuck. I don't know if this is gonna, because all the petals are a little bit different. Anyways, thank you for watching. Subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here, I already said that. Subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate. Thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.